Hey guys, you made it. We're at Sho-Me Tint and we're doing a bunch of stuff like always. Today I'm gonna show you a couple things we're doing. We call them chrome delete. I call it the chop shop because sometimes we gotta like take your bumper off, take your grill out. We're gonna ship this off, have it done. It's pretty cool actually. A lot of people ask me to do this particular grill because we save them several $100s because it's hard to find a black one. So we're making this one black. This guy's changing it up on me. He was like, dude, I just wanna do these pieces black and the door handles black. He's leaving this chrome and this chrome. So it's like black, we're gonna roof rails. Imagine a roof rail, hang on. Roof rail, black, chrome, black, chrome, black. I don't know how it's gonna look, but I'm excited to see. I don't know, I told him, I was like, dude, I don't know, but I'll send you a picture and if you don't like it, then we can black everything out. Oh, we're doing a little piece in the back. I told him to do these tail lights. I showed him a picture, he loved it. I think they're just, you know, dipping their toes into customization. So we're gonna do this black, take the Lincoln off. This guy, he works down at Royal Bar Bell. Why is that so hard for me to say? It's a gym, a local gym downtown. And anyway, he brought it to us, trusting with it. We're happy to get it done for him. He loves this green color, it came factory. So he wanted to keep this one because he couldn't find that color. They're making some more progress on this. The other side looks pretty fire, it's come together. I think the whole side over here is done. It's a lot of real estate to put a wrap on, you know? I guarantee you see him coming down the road. Here's this. I'm gonna take you outside and show you the rest of this vehicle. And I know it looks like we're full already, but just keep this in mind. This is the bumper and the grill from the one that's outside. See, this is what we're gonna take this. We're gonna make it black, put it on the truck. It's gonna be sick. So we're doing that. There's a lot of pieces involved in those. You don't wanna break any of that stuff. Customers hate that. So we gotta make sure we keep all those safe. This guy's done. We're just kind of like letting it cure. You can like feel how slick this is. Like literally someone leaned on it and they fell off of it. So, you know what I mean? That's how smooth it is. But it's glossy, it looks good. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's do this. All right. This one's going out today. He's gonna pick up and we added some like black badges on for him. He's super hyped about that. That's something we do a lot, you know, paint protection, ceramic coating. This XT5, this is in for, same thing, full front clip, fenders, hood, bumper, ceramic coating. Check out these calipers though. What is going on? I think we measured that like 15 inches. Anybody know what that's about? Hit us up, comment on there. That's so huge. That can stop on a dime, I promise you. Oh yeah, look, we got cookies. Oh. People love us and they bring us stuff all the time. That's very true. We have a lady that makes us cupcakes and she brings it down here because we can't sell her our detail products. So she brings us cupcakes and trades them for detail stuff. I told her she could buy it online. She'd rather make cupcakes. Look at this truck. This is that truck I'm talking about. Yeah, with the front end missing out. Look how big this thing is. Let's see if I can just lift it up. It's pretty close. I better not. I just remembered. We're supposed to take this out too. Let's not forget that. That's coming out. Door handles are coming off. When you see this all done, they'll have no chrome. It'll all be gloss black. Some people hate chrome and they're like, just whatever you got to do, get rid of all of it. I like a little bit every now and then, but you know, whatever you like. One thing I want to show you real quick is all the color. So like, this is a little tease, a little spring tease, right? We're not spring yet, but we're almost there. But all these cars, the different colors they make now, I love it. I love the bright, beautiful, unique colors that anybody can have now. They're not just gray and black anymore. They're any color you want. I really wanted to show you this green. Nick just did this. This is his personal vehicle, and this green is hot. It's not quite done all the way. He did not do this roof yet, but he's always wrapping cool stuff. He does this on the side. You can he does his house probably, but you can find him. He's on TikTok and Instagram, always wrapping something. It's actually really cool. I love the shade that's in this color. I cannot decide what color to wrap my car. I am so torn up. Like every time I make my mind up, I change my mind. And then I make my mind up and I change it again. I wish that I could make a decision. Someone throw out a color. Throw out something cool, something wild, something new, something fresh. I'll wrap my car. All right, oh, we gotta go to the tint shop, don't we? I gotta show you that thing down there. All right, let's go check it out. This is a very cool boat though. We're down in the tint shop and we have this down here because it's too big for everything we got going on up there. This is actually in for marine ceramic coating, so that's really good for your watercraft. We're gonna do some paint protection film on this ridge. This is a river boat, so it goes 80 miles an hour, right? So 80 miles an hour planed out on the river. Imagine that, 80 mile an hour on the river, not in a wide open lake. You know, you're hanging on. You know what I'm saying? You got some storage up here to hold whatever, your poles, life jackets, I assume, I hope. Back here you got, what is it, an LT1, 6'2", something crazy. Look at this thing. Yeah, 6'2", jetpack. Finally got a jetpack. Now this thing's a monster, and these clients are super cool, honestly. They have a lot of cool, fun toys, but they're like, hey dude, listen, we're taking this out, and I need you to do that marine coating on it. He's even like, hey, listen, my boss told me to schedule this, and I totally forgot. And I was like, bring it in, we'll get it done, knock it out. And we're gonna, like, I think they like stand on this when they do like fishing or something. They were saying they're like, but he said, protect it from my dog, because I take my dog with me and he doesn't want his dog clawing up. So I'll show you this part back here where they wanted to protect it like here, and they said this is where the dog comes up, so make sure that this is all protected. And I was like, no problem. I guess this is the motor, the jet, I would imagine. Something to do with that. I have no idea. That's so wild. I'm like thinking, like, my ski goes 70. I'm thinking 80. That's wild. Just cruising. It's almost summertime. We're gonna have all the cool toys in, I'm telling you. This is jazzy fresh right here. Let's go see what the guys are doing. Yeah, they're probably, I think it's lunchtime. They're way too quiet. They're like kids, you know what I mean? If they're being really quiet, you know they're up to no good. So we'll see what's up. Oh yeah, look at them. Just eating lunch. What are you guys having, burgers? Oh, there, Trey's working. Trey's the only one working. Yep, there he is. Oh, now everybody's working. Yep, oh, there it is. Yeah, there it goes. Everybody's cooking through it now. I think these cars are probably all tinted and they got more outside to tint. I'm not drunk. I'm passing out snacks and whooping ass. Okay, rock and roll. I'm gonna get these guys motivated, get some cleanup going here, and we'll get some cars shuffled in and out. We'll get the next ones in and out. We're gonna do some tinting, some paint protection, some wrapping. We should check it out. All right, guys, appreciate you. What is this?